morning from Beaver Creek. We've lost the bluebird days that we've had for the last week. Today's a special day. It's not only the last mountain I'm hitting in Colorado before I move on to Utah, but I'm doing something that I haven't done in over 30 years. And what the hell am I thinking? What the hell are these things? That's right, I'm going skiing today. We're gonna see how good muscle memory is. So I started skiing when I was 4 years old and started snowboarding in my late teens. So I haven't skied since then. I was an expert skier at the time, and obviously you know about my snowboarding abilities. So we'll see how I fare. I imagine the first little bit's gonna be a bit of a disaster, but I'm hoping by after a few hours I can get back to my old form. Also, the skis are completely different than what I'm used to. A lot shorter, they'll probably be a lot more responsive. So it's gonna be an interesting challenge. Hey, well, I'm gonna have 3 poles now. I don't know how this is gonna work. How do you do this again? We'll see. I spent so much time watching ski racing, even after I started snowboarding. So we'll see if all that visualization has paid off and I can remember what the hell I'm doing. Over 30 years. I'm skiing. I'm certainly not graceful, but I mean, considering it's my first run, not bad. Except I keep carving like I feel like I'm on a snowboard. That's good because these conditions are not good for the high-speed carving, so a good day to try this out. These definitely aren't high-performance skis from the rental shop. Who knows what I'm buying? They really have a hard time holding an edge. Well, surprisingly good for not skiing for that long. This may be ill-advised. Yep. Any better for a little bit of practice. Apparently not. That wasn't my fault. The ski just popped off. It's not set tight enough. Okay. World Cup form. Hard turn around the side. Again. Even though moguls may have passed me by at my advanced age, let's see how my carving has fared from earlier after my first few runs there, now that I've warmed up. Sadly, these skis don't hold a good edge. Okay, so I started at 8:30, it's 10:30 now. I've switched out my skis. These should hopefully be more high performance carving skis. They're a bit longer. They look a little bit narrower. So the other ones kept chattering out when I was doing my high-speed turns. If these can hold an edge, I'll be really excited. New skis, they're not sharp. The boots are too soft, so it's kind of affecting my ability to carve. But I think for not skiing in 30 years, I'm not doing too bad. So let's see how the new skis do. All right, back at the truck. Gotta go return the rental gear, but I think that was a pretty successful day of skiing after not doing it for 30 years. And those upgraded skis certainly were better for carving, but they certainly need a tune. Can't hold an edge, and the boots are way too soft. So even though I had some form of my former self, it'll take a while for sure before I could get back to top skiing form. But yeah, it was a fun little novelty to go check out, and who knows, I may do it again. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.